Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to make Janitor AI faster and boost performance in a minute. So guys, to make your Janitor AI faster and improve the performance, so you can lower the context window and resave your API settings. First of all guys, adjust your memory and the context time. So guys, lower your chat memory or the context size and setting down roughly 50 to 100 messages to reduce your computing per reply. Okay, second thing is guys, API and the backend setting. So guys, you resave your API key in your profile setting to clear your temporary routing bugs and switch away from the overload public server or free trial during the peak global hours if the response time is stressed past 15 seconds. Okay, and the third thing is guys, make sure you have the good and the stable internet connection, because internet is play the big role for generating the things. Okay, and the last thing is guys, you clear your caches time to time, because cache also take the spaces and creating these slow issues in the model. So for this, first of all, you simply go to your these three dotted. After that, click the option of history and find the option of open history page, where you check the option of delete browsing data, then mark your cookies and the data set and delete from the device. Okay, after that guys, you also try to use the premium version, because the premium version have the high power and they give you a some another advanced features. Okay, so this is the way that you can do. And guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further informations.